Hey, what is up everybody, and welcome to the first ever video in the new office. Super excited, and welcome to the first ever real YouTube video about the all new Vandal. Today we're gonna do a range test. Super excited for that. We already did some tests without actually pedaling, with just the accelerator, and the tests were insane. 45 kilometers with both batteries. Today we're gonna do only with the internal batteries, 10 amp hours, to see how much range we got. Oh, and also important to mention, we have the suspension seat post on here. We will have it in stock once these bikes arrive. Here, of course, the ball will be downside. Since this is the first video, I have to film all details. This ball will be down here, so this hole obviously won't be here. That's just a prototype here, but the color, this one will be black. Also here, there's just some details that will be better. We will get into this later. Today it's all about the range. All right, let's go. So we're on speed mode 3. It's almost a bit fast. It's only 25 allowed here in Switzerland. Have to be careful. It's pretty hot today. I don't know if I can do that with the camera, but we have the walking feature, so I can click the button, it goes by itself. I cannot accelerate right now, because it would be on my left hand and I need it right now to hold the camera. Right now I'm on gear 1. But yeah, the range on this bike is gonna be insane anyway, no matter if I accelerate like that or not. I love all these roads specifically for bikes. You can see the bike sign everywhere, and Switzerland is just 100% bike country. Even this street down here is made for bikes actually. But yeah, right now I'm basically using the accelerator because I'm not touching the motor, I would say. Whoa, can I do that? Wait. Yeah, I can. Oh fuck. I used to be very good at this. I think I have to get used to it. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, no hands. Wow, super good trick. So right now, I hope it's not gonna rain, because I wanna get this bike to 80%. At least I wanna know a little bit how much range I'm gonna get out of this. But hey, this is not gonna be the range that we're gonna put on a website. That would be way too much. People will say, why are you doing bikes? Because we would never do a scooter. First of all, this is fun. This is a lot of fun. It's cool, you can do tricks, you can jump. And we also wanted to do something that's allowed. We have a lot of people in the store, and as you saw, we have a new store. A lot of people come by and they want to buy something that's allowed. And we just wanted to find something cool. Actually, we did this. I did this. I don't think I have this on film. It was like a night mission, because it's like a little bit sketchy to do. So basically we put like concrete on here, and this is the kicker. I jump from here, tray flip, no slide. What I really enjoy right now is with the bike, you know, like it's allowed. But obviously around here I would really not feel an issue to ride with the skateboard, at least just right here, right now. And now we're gonna use the accelerator. Just want to get to 20%. The range is already insane on it. Accelerator, I love it. The bike is honestly so much better with the accelerator. Absolutely love it. But yeah, if you could just pedaling. I mean, honestly, in Europe and Switzerland, the accelerator will be available additionally. But in the USA, the accelerator is allowed, or in any country where it is allowed, it will be set up basically with the accelerator, so don't worry. The suspension seat post that I have right here, I absolutely love it. It's really good for my, it will be available additionally. We already will have it in stock once these bikes arrive. If I were to do an electric skateboard range test, you would never see me riding on roads like that, because I would say, oh, this is gonna eat up a lot of range. But hey, here on the back, oh, I'm finally on 80%. Never had that situation on a skateboard where I would say, oh, finally. It takes a lot more range on a skateboard, because you need the whole power to take your whole weight. Big difference. 20%. I have no idea how many kilometers we've done. I can check it real quick though. Okay, well, we are back at 80%. We've done 17 kilometers. So basically 17 times 5, that would equal the range, I would say. Back at 100% again. Holy shit, that's close and fast. Like right now we're going uphill and still at 100%. So it's really hard to say how much range we're gonna get on here. I think it has to be stable at 80 before we can say how much we're gonna do on this bike. Well, it is weird for me overall to just film in the middle of the street. No problem at all. But I'm not on the bike lane. Actually, let's go over here. There's bike lanes everywhere and you're supposed to ride on bike lanes. One of them should be here. Welcome back to the office. We have done 22 kilometers. We are at 80% right now on the bike. As you can see, like finally, also on the app, I hope you can see that, 80%, exactly 80%. We're in sport mode actually. And yeah, like I said, if you would pump up the wheels to 65 PSI, you would get a lot more range. If I would never use the accelerator, a lot more range again. So yeah, there's a lot to do to get even more range. But technically, I can get easily 100 kilometers on this 10 amp hour battery. But I would definitely say that we're gonna check out some other manufacturers to see how much range they say for 10 amp hours. Pretty sure there's others with you know, the same size of battery. And we don't wanna put our range much higher than that. We don't wanna make people unhappy if they don't get the same range as me, if they're heavier or if they're taller or whatever. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Let us know in the comments what else you would like to see on this bike. We have a lot more to film, obviously, and I'm super excited to show this in the store. It's not released yet. In 2 weeks this goes online. And yeah, super excited. And yeah, we'll see each other very soon. Bye bye.